Hello everyone. So I'm back with a new video for the Royal Enfield Continental GT. This time I'm going to give you a review about the engine oil that I have recently used for the GT.
The Motul 300B 15W50 fully synthetic engine oil. An engine oil that's green in color. They say it's being made using ester core technology. So what they say is ester core is basically a combination of different synthetic oils that are available, and they have combined all these synthetic oils to make a base oil that's basically ester core technology. And they say that this engine oil basically sticks to your metal parts and it forms a layer over the metal part which prevents it from friction and the metal parts from getting damaged very quickly. So it gives a longevity to your vehicle. Plus it says that the vehicle's oil change interval is higher if you use this synthetic oil. I have been discussing with my mechanic who gives a lot and high appreciation about this oil. He mentions that the only issue with this oil is once you start using synthetic oils, it's not preferable to change to a semi-synthetic or go to earlier version. You should try using this synthetic oils. Synthetic oils are normally not cheaper, they are very costly, and the only issue you may have is with the pricing of this oil. So spending around 3k for a oil, whether it suits your budget, you have to decide. The engine is more aggressive now as compared to the Royal Enfield oil that I was using before. I think it's called as liquid gun. So the engine oil of Royal Enfield, it gives more of a vibrations, plus the engine heats high. But after using Motul, I can see that the engine tries to cool itself, and even after riding for an hour, the engine cools within a 10 minutes or 15 minutes time. Also, I have noticed an increase in the vehicle throughput, the increase in the speed, and the initial torque that I get, there is a slight increase in that. I am able to rev more with this oil. I have read and gone through a lot of forums where people mention that they have seen tremendous reduction in vibration after using this engine oil. Might be that I didn't have much of vibrations earlier, and that might be one of the reasons why I can't see that difference. But after using this engine oil, what I could see is an increase in the vehicle performance, overall vehicle performance. Vibrations, I would say, yeah, there is a very negligible difference, but you may not probably notice it. For me, it's there, but may not be the similar.
I saw the service engineers tell me that after you have completed around 5,000 kilometers on your bike, you will see these vibrations to be reducing. In my case, that was not the same. My bike was responding quite smooth during the initial startups, and after riding it for around 20 minutes, I felt as if there is a kind of vibration there. Not as bad as people normally reported on the YouTube videos. I am not of the opinion that you should try using Motul during the initial service period, or you should wait for all the free services to be over and then change it. That all depends on how you do it. I have seen different opinions from people in and around about using Motul during the initial service periods. And I have also seen views from the people who say that we should change engine oils after the free services are completed. So it all depends upon you and how you see it. You can probably discuss with a few who have done that, but everyone would have different views around, because the vehicle also responds differently. After using Motul 300B on my GT, all I see a difference is the kind of aggressive nature this bike responds. The kind of torque that you get on this bike after using this engine oil is different. It has increased. You feel as if you are riding something that's more energetic, that's ready to go about anywhere you want it to go. The kind of fastness you get while overtaking a vehicle is increased. Earlier GT, while we try to overtake a vehicle, it does not respond quite quickly, but it has changed now. I saw a video from a guy, I don't remember his name. He said that it is the worst bike that he has seen. This guy normally rides KTM bikes, and he said that it's much worse when compared to KTM bike. Normally, I see that you cannot compare a GT with a KTM bike. GT entirely has a different character. It responds quite different. The kind of thump you get on GT is entirely different. So when I used to ride it for around half an hour, the kind of heat the engine produces, it used to stay for around 20 to 30 minutes. But now it gets cooled quite quickly. I can see that the engine gets cooled for around 10 or 15 minutes. So that's quite good. You notice very less amount of heat on the engine. Engine produces a good sound. So it's not that the engine produces a much louder sound, but it's a good sound. The bass is good. You get a bit stronger feeling in the sound. So that's a bit of a change after using this engine oil. You see that it's more smooth. So the previous lags that I was feeling in the engine after riding for around half an hour, I don't notice it anymore. So it's more smooth, it's more cool, the engine is good. And Motul promises that the engine oil change intervals will increase after you use this engine oil. I'll have to see how it goes. I'm not too sure if the oil leaks or evaporates after using this 300V, but I can normally smell the engine oil while riding. Might be because it's the character of this oil, or due to some characteristics that this oil possesses, but I can smell often the oil while I am riding the bike. So maybe for me, or some thing that the mechanic has to check around, but this is a change that I noticed there. The fully synthetic engine oils are normally very costly as compared to the semi-synthetic engine oils. When I purchased this Motul 300V, I purchased it from Amazon. It costed me around close to 1000 rupees per liter, and I poured around 2.5 liters in the Continental GT. I kept around half a liter back in, so that I can top up the oil as it decreases over time. Yeah. So when compared to the price that you spend on this engine oil, it's hardly your decision to make whether you need to do that. But after purchasing a GT for such a price, you may possibly would like to consider such an engine oil that gives a smooth ride to your bike. So yeah, I hope that this video was useful to you. I'll give a comprehensive video later on marking about all the advantages, but this is something that I have noticed as a very significant change in the vehicle. Thanks for watching the video. I thank all the viewers who have subscribed to my video channel. I'll continue posting more videos around. Thanks everyone for watching.